You searched how to buy shares of Rafael Holdings Inc. Rafael Holdings Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RFL and operates in the advanced technology and industrial sector. This video is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RFL to find Rafael Holdings Inc. Make sure you select the listing that indicates NASDAQ as the exchange. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm this is Rafael Holdings Inc. Verify the ticker RFL and the company details to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before finalizing. Your new position will appear in your portfolio alongside your other holdings. For more information and a direct link to eToro, see the description below.